Hello friends, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I will be showing you another demo on workflow automation using n8n. In the previous video, I have shown you how to set up n8n locally and do basic automation, right? So this is not complex, but bit more than what I shown previous, right? So high level. If I want to tell the high level design, so basically what I'm doing is, so whenever user triggers the form by clicking the submit button, it execute a command, basically SSH into my Raspberry Pi4 device, and it reads the temperature data, and I'm transforming that data using JavaScript. And if there is a data, I'm sending Telegram message to the group that I configured, and also displaying that using this formatting, right? So let me run this workflow. Again, let me click on this fetch temperature. Okay, so I heard the notification. You can see the notification. Your Raspberry Pi 4 temperature is 59, and also you will see same thing in the web also, in form also. Okay, so so my trigger is my trigger is on form submission, right? So this is the form that will be presented whenever the workflow runs. And to keep it simple, I just have one button that says fetch temperature, right? And the second node in this is to SSH into my Raspberry Pi and read this temperature file that will have the temperature data, and this is the output. So this is JSON output, and this property std out will have this value. This key will have this value. So I will transform that in the next thing. I could have transformed there itself, but okay. So this is for demonstration. So you can use either JavaScript or Python, or you can use the native no code, low code data transformation also. So, so basically, I'm reading my input that is coming from my previous node, and I'm converting that std out into integer and divide by 1000, so that that there won't be any decimal value shown to user, right? So that's what I'm doing. I'm using toolfix to avoid that decimal value. All right. And then conditional, right? So I'm using simple if loop or if condition node. So I'm checking whether this number is empty or not. So please make sure you set this convert types where required to enable. Otherwise it will throw some type error, right? The n8n will do automatic type conversion or casting whenever there is a type conversion required, right? So the input may be number, but it may appear as string, so it will do those kind of things. So I'm checking whether this number is empty or not. If it is not empty, go and send Telegram message and show me on the form. Or if it is empty, then use this form ending node and show there is no data, right? So I will not be opening that text message and formatting because it will have some sensitive data like my chat ID and other things which am not comfortable in showing. But I will show you how to set up the Telegram node. Right, it's straightforward, very easy to set up. Send text message. That's it. To select that, create the credential, get the access token from Telegram side, create that. Once you have that, you can select through drop down and message resource. In this case, I'm sending message, so I will set message resource, and operation is send message. There are many operations that you can do, and then chat ID is nothing but an ID of this group that you created. Make sure you add your bot to that group, otherwise it will fail. And you can get the chat ID by opening the Telegram in web, and you can see once you click on your group, you can see the chat ID of that, and text is the message that you see here, right? This is the message that you see. And similarly, yeah, you have to set up this thing form ending to display to user. It is not necessary, but if you want, you can do that. You can search by form, n8n form, and click on form ending, and then in that case, I've used the show completion screen. So it will show the completion message that you saw, and completion title, whatever you want. Here is the message you want to put, and you can add styling to it if you want. Right? You can add styling to it. So I've used all defaults, right? So for demo purpose, and let's delete that form ending and run one more time. Okay. Delete that. Okay, let's run one more time. This is the form. I'm submitting the button. Okay, I got the data in the form ending, and as well as I got the notification on my Telegram. All right, friend, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like and share and leave your comment. Thank you.